Welcome to InfoGrid, your source for educational content. Subscribe and join us as we explore various topics.
From aircraft engines to luxury automobiles. A brief history of BMW. BMW, or Bayerische Motorenwerk, is a German luxury automobile and motorcycle manufacturing company founded in 1916. BMW, or Bayerische Motorenwerk, began as an aircraft engine manufacturer in 1916. The company's first aircraft engine, the BMW iA, was produced in 1917. During World War I, BMW produced aircraft engines for the German military. These engines were used on a variety of aircraft, including the Fokker D-7 fighter, which was considered one of the best fighters of the war. After the war, the Treaty of Versailles prohibited Germany from producing aircraft engines, which led to a temporary suspension of BMW's aircraft engine production. However, in the 1920s, BMW began secretly developing new aircraft engines in violation of the treaty. The company eventually produced the BMW 132 and BMW 801 engines, which were used on a variety of aircraft, including the Heinkel He-111 and Junkers Ju-87 bombers. During World War II, BMW once again produced aircraft engines for the German military. The company's most famous engine of the war was the BMW 801, which was used on the Focke-Wulf FW-190 fighter. BMW also produced the BMW 03 jet engine, which was used on the Messerschmitt Me 262 jet fighter. After the war, BMW's aircraft engine production was once again suspended as part of the Allied powers' disarmament measures. The company then focused on producing motorcycles and automobiles, which became the mainstay of its business. Today, BMW is primarily known as a luxury car and motorcycle manufacturer. However, the company still has a small aviation division, BMW Aero Engines, which produces engines for the business jet market. The company is known for producing high-performance engines, such as the BMW Rolls-Royce BR700 series. In summary, BMW started as an aircraft engine manufacturer and produced engines for the German military during World War I and World War II. The company was a major player in the aircraft engine industry during those times, producing engines that were used on some of the most famous aircraft of the era. However, after the war, the company shifted its focus to producing motorcycles and automobiles, and today it is primarily known as a luxury car and motorcycle manufacturer. BMW, the German luxury car manufacturer, has a long and storied history of producing motorcycles that are exclusive to the brand. These exclusive models have been sought after by enthusiasts for their unique design, advanced technology, and superior performance. The history of BMW's exclusive motorcycles began in the 1920s with the introduction of the R32 model. This was the first motorcycle to feature BMW's iconic Boxer engine, which featured the cylinders arranged in a horizontally opposed configuration. The R32 was also the first motorcycle to feature a shaft drive, which is still used in many BMW motorcycles to this day. In the 1930s, BMW introduced the R5 model, which was considered one of the most advanced motorcycles of its time. It featured a 500cc engine and a top speed of over 90 miles per hour. The R5 was also the first BMW motorcycle to feature a telescopic fork suspension, which greatly improved handling and comfort. During World War II, BMW was forced to cease production of motorcycles and focus on producing military vehicles. However, after the war, the company resumed production of motorcycles with the R24 model. This was a budget-friendly option for consumers, and it was an immediate success. In the 1970s, BMW introduced the R90S model, which was a sporty and powerful motorcycle that was designed for the open road. The R90S featured a 900cc engine and a top speed of over 120 miles per hour. It was also the first BMW motorcycle to feature a full fairing, which improved aerodynamics and reduced wind resistance. In the 1980s and 1990s, BMW introduced several more exclusive models, such as the K100, K1100, and R110GS. These models featured advanced technology such as fuel injection, anti-lock brakes, and electronic suspension. In recent years, BMW has continued to produce exclusive motorcycles that are highly sought after by enthusiasts. These models include the S100RR, which is a high-performance sport bike, and the R120GS, which is a versatile adventure bike. BMW exclusive motorcycles are known for their superior engineering and technology, and they have a reputation for being reliable and long-lasting. They are also highly customizable, with a wide range of aftermarket parts and accessories available to improve performance and personalize the look of the bike. In conclusion, BMW has a long history of producing exclusive motorcycles that are highly sought after by enthusiasts, from the iconic R32, R5, R9OS, to the recent S100RR and R120GS. These motorcycles are known for their superior engineering, advanced technology, and exceptional performance. They remain a favorite among riders who appreciate the combination of style, power, and reliability that only a BMW motorcycle can offer. BMW Bayerisch Motor and Work has a long history, and many key figures have played important roles in the company's development. Here are a few notable individuals in BMW's history. Karl Rapp, he was one of the company's founders and its first chief engineer. He developed the company's first aircraft engines in 1913, which were used by the German military during World War I. Franz Joseph Popp, he became managing director of BMW in 1922 and played a key role in the company's post-World War I recovery. He expanded the company's product line to include automobiles and motorcycles and helped establish BMW as a major player in the German automobile industry. Hermann Göring, he became BMW's chairman of the board during the Nazi regime and was responsible for shifting the company's focus back to military production during World War II. Herbert Quandt, he is credited with saving BMW from financial collapse in the 1960s and was instrumental in the company's expansion and growth in the decades that followed. Norbert Reithofer, he was CEO of BMW from 2006 to 2015 and led the company through a period of significant growth and expansion. He oversaw the development of several new models, including the BMW i3 electric car, and implemented a strategy of expanding BMW's global presence. Harald Krüger, he was CEO of BMW from 2015 to 2019. He was responsible for the launch of new models, such as the BMW X2, and the development of new technologies, such as electric and autonomous vehicles. Oliver Zipse, he is the current CEO of BMW since August 2019. Zipse has focused on the company's electric vehicle strategy and on developing new technologies to support the company's goal of becoming carbon neutral by 2030. The company was originally founded as a manufacturer of aircraft engines, which it produced from 1917 until 1918 and again from 1933 to 1945. The company is known for its iconic 3 Series line of compact sedans, which was first introduced in 1972. BMW has also played a significant role in the development of motorcycle racing, and its motorcycles are popular among enthusiasts. In recent years, BMW has focused on sustainability and technology, with the goal of reducing its environmental impact and developing innovative products and services. BMW has also been involved in motorsports. The company has a long history of motorsport involvement, including touring cars, sports cars, and Formula One. In recent years, BMW has introduced a number of new models, including the X1, X2, X3, X4, X5, X6, and X7 SUVs. The company has also announced plans to produce more than 1 million electric vehicles per year by 2030 and to phase out internal combustion engines by 2035, with the goal of becoming a fully electric company by that time. BMW has also been expanding its global presence, with new production and assembly facilities in countries such as Mexico and South Africa. In conclusion, BMW has a long and successful history as a leading luxury car manufacturer. The company is known for producing high-quality vehicles, for its commitment to innovation and sustainability, and for its strong presence in the global automotive market.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell notification.